real life scenarios. As an educator, I don't get any love languages, but I've had that experience.
Hello, my name is Siobhan. I'm going into my second year student of education, grad student at Loyola Marymount, and what really brings me Black joy right now is really still trying to stay in my own lane, find my own way, learn to accept me, love me, take the time for me, support my kids and make sure they're good, and just be whole within myself.
All right, cool. My name is Travis Richards. I'm currently a doctoral candidate at LMU, Loyola Marymount University. I'm also a senior academic coach at LMU as well. What Black Joy means to me, y'all wait, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Black Joy means everything. It means existence, taking up space and ensuring that my community has a safe space to really express themselves organically and authentically. What Black Joy means is just to be me. And sometimes not even being yourself is included in certain spaces. So Black Joy is a representation of not only existence, but its history, identity, and also expression. So y'all express this Black Joy and be great.
Hi, my name is Janardia Jackson. I am a student at the University of Illinois, and this is Black Joy to me. See me, hear me, know me, and love me, but never deceive or exclude me as I see you. These words mean to acknowledge your existence and acknowledge my existence and all that I have to offer, as I will do the same, but never to lie because it will disregard me.
My name is Malika Berry. I'm an educator of over 20 years. I'm currently working on my doctorate in African American Studies, and this is what Black Joy is to me. Our secret language, a head shake, a nod, the ability to sing, dance, and create despite diabolical design. Our resilience, our restraint, our reminders that we live beyond hateful imagination. They want our rhythm, but can't keep the beat. They stay mad because our joy is their defeat. Black love, being loved and continuously killing the game. Just own your greatness.
Black J.O.Y. What does Black joy mean to you?